decision and ano po yung sinabi ni Coach Bibi na parang gusto niya makita po
Okay, so first for the Jones Cup, we cannot join the Jones Cup this year because it coincides with the tournament in Mexico. No? It's mid-August. Inurong po ni Jones Cup yan because of the Asian Games, thinking na yung mga teams na sasali sa Asian Games, magandang preparasyon. Kaso sa atin, no, we're the only Asian team actually playing in that pre-Olympic qualifying tournament. I think mas maganda naman siyang preparation to go into the Asian Games than the Jones Cup. With regard, your next question was mga expectations ni Coach Vicky ba?
Ikaw po in terms of sa preparations, ay sa first tournament po for you.
Okay, expectations niya. Well, what I noticed about him also is that he has very high standards. So he's definitely not going out there just to play well. He definitely wants to win the tournament. But realistically, I think yung semis ang hinahabol niya. Parang sa nakikita kong preparations niya, tina-target niya yung dalawang team dun sa bracket natin eh. And if you're doing that, that means you're getting yourself into a position to be in the top 2 of your bracket, which means you play in the semis.
Sir, ano yung po sa league na pamali-pali po yung eligibility siguro for the Asian Games po. Siguro, how important po yung is so straightforward din yung right off the bat po yung eligibility requirements like lalo na sa mga yung long list or short list for this Asian Games.
Of course, it's much better no to have straightforward rules like the Asian Games no. Naglabas sila kaagad ng technical handbook for basketball. So we know exactly who can play and who cannot. Ang nakakabitin sa atin right now is whether lalabas yung passport ng player natin o hindi. So doon tayo nakasabit. At least it's on our end. Hindi kagaya nung SEA Games na nasubmit naman natin lahat ng requirements pero hindi natin alam kung eligible or hindi. So definitely this gives us, a better mindset going into the competition.
Next question. From Erica, alam ko tayo TV. So, if na-introduces na rin earlier sa Japan na even ng 18 na it's because it's not going to pero ka ay complicated na nagmamangkul ng teenager gilas women regarding na hindi siya ikaw. So, siya heard that Pangay Vanguard is not looking to clear right accounts for DS actions and Asian Games.
Yeah, actually, nagsabi na nga si Dwight na mentioned earlier that he will not be playing in the window. It's also a personal preference to be with their team right before the opening of their tournament. No, I understand it's the 10th year anniversary of the B-League, so it's a historic season for them. Tawag na nila ngayon is B-League Premier and they open late September, so right after the Asian Games. So some players or some clubs will prefer that their players stay with them throughout that 2 weeks before the competition begins. So yun yung pinoproblema natin ngayon or binabattle natin. Pero ang B-League office naman has assured us, no, ako at si President Ricky Vargas actually had lunch last week with Nao Okamoto, no, of the B-League, and he assured us that they have our support in terms of sending teams. It's interesting, however, that he also said, no, even the men's team will not be sending their A team. So, may mga B-League players pa rin, pero hindi yung mga star player nila yung papadala nila.
Ma'am, just an additional question about Coach BP. I'd like to know, what is the arrangement with Coach? Will he be staying here or will he only be joining the team when they have trainings?
He's staying here. Medyo nakakatuwa siya. Kung sinusundan niyo siya sa social media, no, ako minsan natatakot ako. May mga araw na sumasakay siya ng jeep, di ba? Nag-MRT. So para sa foreigner to do that na bagong-bago dito, you can see that he's really exerting an effort to embrace our culture, which I think it's admirable, no? Yes, in-immerse niya talaga yung sarili niya dito at inaalam niya kung paano tayo mabuhay tayo mga Pilipino, no? So he's been doing that and he does plan to stay here. He's actually here with his wife already and they're settled down already.
So that means that he does not have any other job at the moment. He's 100% ILA's women coach.
This is his commitment at least for the first year of his coaching because he said he wants to lay the foundation very well. But he did say that next year he will start taking jobs again with club tournaments. But at the same time, making sure that his contract will always allow him to coach the Philippine women's national team whenever he's called to do that.
Thank you.
Well, isa.
Mga
Yes.
pilot ko na.
Sige, kay ano muna, kay mula to kay Matthew Henry Lee. Okay. Nag-set na daw ba ang Asian Games organizers as regards to the number of naturalized players allowed for 5 by 5?
Again, no, yung ating handbook naman, hindi naman dinidistinguish ang naturalized player sa local player like FIBA does. Ang sa kanila is there's a 3-year residency rule, no, na parang nandito ka na ng mga 3 taon. So, if you remember, si Benny, even if ngayon pa lang makukuha ang passport niya, 3 years ago, naglaro na yan sa San Miguel. So, we will be able to establish that kung sakaling lumabas ang passport niya. Titignan natin, di ba?